what's better than getting on a plane in England when the skies are grey and rainy? Arriving in Barcelona for the third time, I already know it's a good mix of training, beaches, good weather, and loads of things to do. This guy was asking for some change for a bottle of water, so I got a chance to practice mi español. I said, no, solo tengo 10 ciento. For the workout, I did 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps, depending on the exercise. And it was already about 30 degrees, so I had a little cool down to see afterwards. On my way to training, I did some tourist stuff. I checked out the Gothic Quarter, and you can't come to Barcelona without seeing this. I decided to train at 10th Planet Barcelona. I've heard good things, and I know it's a big leg locking gym, so it's going to be a good mix of styles. This guy had some really good leg locks, but the camera came out, so I had to put on my A game and start spamming Kimuras. The camera's a bit far away for this one, but this was a big Dutch guy and he wanted to wrestle, so got some good clips. I made a mistake here and gave a black belt my ankle straight away, so lesson learned. This was actually 2 rounds with the same guy back to back. I feel like I was on the same level, so we decided to have another round together and get some good work in. As you can see, some good rounds. Time to get some food. Little chicken kebab. Finish off the day with some more tourist stuff. Let's check out the sunset over Barcelona. The last day was a chilled one. I spent most of it on the beach, then I had a little ride down the seafront back to the metro station.
last hour in Barcelona on my way to the metro.